we are given a question that is, a train is there which is moving with a uniform speed and it is traveling a distance of 480 kilometers. We don't know the exact speed of train, so let the speed of the train is x kilometer per hour. Let the speed of train is x kilometer per hour. Had the speed been less, 8 kilometer than the normal speed, then it would take 3 more hours to complete the same distance. अगर स्पीड आसे 8 किलोमीटर कम x निश ठीक तेल ऐसा लगन इमिस कस गंट ज्यादा 3 गंट लगन इमिस ज्यादा. We need to find the initial speed of ट्रेन, यानी कि हमें पहले वाली स्पीड जो ट्रेन की है वो हमें निकालनी है. तो अब क्या करेंगे, let the speed of train equal to x kilometer per hour. ठीक, let the speed of train is x kilometer per hour. Distance traveled, how much is the distance traveled? 480 kilometers. 480 kilometers. We know from our physics class that distance is the product of speed and time. So when we have to find the time, it is equal to the ratio of distance and speed. Distance and speed. Time is the ratio of distance and speed. Time is the ratio of distance and speed. Therefore, time taken. T1 equal to 480 divided by x hours. 480 divided by x hours. Now, new speed of train. What is new speed of train? X minus. Because now new speed is 8 kilometers per hour less than the initial speed. That is new speed of train. New speed of x minus 8 kilometer per hour. X minus 8 kilometer per hour. Distance traveled is same, that's 480. New time taken. T2 equal to distance 480 divided by speed x minus 8 hours. Now according to question, the new time is 3 hours more than the initial time. यानी कि युस इमिस टाइम गंडच लगा तेम निश लगा ये स्पीड गसान 8 किलोमीटर कम तेल इमिस लगा 3 घंटे ज्यादा केम निश गंडिक टाइम निश इमिस लगा कस घंटे ज्यादा 3 घंटे लगा ज्यादा. तेल क्या लेगा वो according to question T2 टाइम सेकंड is equal to एक बार T1 के बराबर है plus 3 hours. T2 is equal to T1 plus 3. यानी कि एक तो पूरा टाइम देगा ये पहला वाला, उसके बाद कितना 3 घंटे और, that is T1 plus 3. So substitute the values here. T2 is 480 divided by x minus 8 equal to T1 is 480 divided by x plus 3. Now transposing these things, that is 480 divided by x minus 8 minus 480 divided by equal to 3. अब इसमें कॉमन क्या है 480. 480 को हम कॉमन यहाँ पे लेंगे 480. यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा 1 by x minus 8. 1 by x minus 8. हाँ, फिर बीच में क्या है माइनस 480 बाहर है और यहाँ क्या रहेगा 1 by x. 1 by x इक्वल टू 3. यस ना, समझ? 480 अगर 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई फिर से ये बनेगा 480 by x minus 8. 480 by x. तो 480 को बाहर ही रखिए. 480. Now cross multiplication. X into 1 minus x into 1 minus 8 into minus 1 plus 8 plus divide by x into x minus 8 into x equal to plus x and minus x will cancel. ठीक? That is 480 into 8 divided by x square minus 8x equal to this 3 will get multiplied with x square minus 8x, and this 480 has to be multiplied with 8. That's 8 zeros are 0, 8 8s are 64, 8 4s are 32, 32 or 6. Divided by x square minus 8x equal to now. अब हम ऐसे करेंगे 3x squares are minus 3 8s are is equal to इसमें डिवाइड क्या है 1 into 3840 that is 3840. अब इसको यहाँ लाएंगे x square minus 24x minus 3840 equal to 0. Now you have got the 3x square 3 into x square that is 3x square. 3 into x square is 3x square. 3 into 8 is minus 24x. And then यहाँ से 1 के साथ इसको multiply होगा. That is 3840. Then 3x square minus 24x. 3840 को हम transpose करेंगे. That is minus 3840 equal to 0. And this is your required what? Quadratic equation. अब हम इसमें 3 common भी निकाल सकते हैं. We can take 3 as common. That is 3 into x square minus 3 8s are 24 x minus 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. यहाँ से 2 रहेगा 24 3 8s are 24 and 3 will be divided to 0. That is x square minus 8x minus 1280 equal to 0. And this is your required quadratic equation. Now you have to solve this quadratic equation in order to find the value of x. And that should be positive because speed is a scalar quantity and speed is always positive. So here a equal to 1, b equal to
minus 8,
c equal to
minus 1
to 80. So in this case, factorize by splitting the middle term. देखो मिडिल टर्म के लिए हमें क्या सम होना चाहिए? सम या डिफरेंस कितनी होनी चाहिए? -8 के बराबर. प्रोडक्ट कितना होना चाहिए? जितना a और c -1280. सम होना चाहिए -8 के बराबर. डिफरेंस होनी चाहिए प्रोडक्ट होना चाहिए -1280. -1280. फैक्टराइज बाय स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म. फिर से हम लिखेंगे x स्क्वायर minus 8x minus 1280 equal to 0. 1280 equal to 0. So here factorize 1280. Factorize 1280. 2 6s are
12,
2 6s are
12,
2 4s are
8,
2 zeros are
0,
2 3s are
6,
2 2s are
4,
2 zeros are
0,
2 1s are 2 6s are 2 zeros are 2 8s are
16,
zeros are
0,
2 40s are
8,
देखो मैं यहाँ पे इसलिए रुक गया. 2 2s are
4,
4 2s are
8,
8 2s are
16,
62s are 32 30 40 minus 32 is 8. 40 minus 32 is
8,
40 into 32 is 1280. 40 into 1280 is. So here we write, but sign is negative, so we have to take minus 40 plus 32. Minus 40 plus 32. So this way we can get x square minus 40x plus 32 x minus 1280 equal to
0.
0. So here it is x into कॉमन निकालो यहाँ पे x minus 40 plus 32 into x minus equal to
0.
so here you get x plus 32 into x minus equal to 0 equal to so here either when the two things when multiplied when they become 0 it means one of them is 0 so here we write either x plus 32 or x minus 40 which implies x equal to minus 32 or x is equal to 40 or x equal to
40.
but x equal to minus 32 is rejected. Can you say why? Because speed is always positive. Speed is always positive. Is rejected. Is
Rejected.
as the speed is always
Positive.
the speed can't be negative.
Yes, sir.
Speed
Can't be negative.
can't be. Therefore, speed of train equal to x equal to 40 kilometer per hour. 40 kilometer per
Hour.
so we have got the answer that is speed of train is 40 kilometer per hour. यहाँ पर देखो आप अगर 480 को हम किससे डिवाइड करेंगे देखो यहाँ पे क्रॉस चेक जिसको हम बोलते हैं 480 डिवाइडेड बाय 40 that is equal to 12 that is equal to 480 divided by cancel 4 ones are 4 twos are that is 12 hours तो पहले केस में कितने घंटे लगते हैं इसको 12 hours how much time is taken in the first instance 12 hours now in the second instance when the speed is what 8 kilometers less तो कितनी स्पीड थी हमारी 40 से हम 8 माइनस करेंगे कितना होगा 32 अब हम 480 को डिवाइड करेंगे किससे 32 से अब 32 ones are 32 ones are यहाँ से 60 निकल गया 160 32 5 that will 15 hours so how many hours are more
3 hours.
in the first case the train has taken 12 hours to cover the distance but in the second case it has taken 15 hours now 15 minus 12 is 3 hours so the second time is 3 hours more than the first time so I hope you might have understood this question thank you
Yes, sir.